Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,